Hey everyone, today I'm actually doing my live stream early rather than tonight at 9 o'clock, which I've been doing for the last couple weeks. Kind of my journey so far has been, a few people watch and I'm very grateful. I think over time that's going to grow, so I'm excited about that. But I'm actually working on a couple other projects. As some of you may know, I've recently left Robert Half and I've been taking this summer to, think about other projects that I'm going to do and, kind of decide what my life calling is and not necessarily decide. I kind of have a sense of that, but how to really give back and help other people. And so I've actually just been brainstorming. I spent all morning creating my next project, which is basically going to be a course on jobs and building your career. I think that's going to help a lot of millennials and maybe even people further on in their career. So I just finished shooting the video for the intro video for the for that project. And I'm gonna edit that later on. Still working at my store every day to try to build up the small business aspect to it. With anything, it takes some time. So really the key is dedication and to keep on going, even when things seem to be a little bit difficult. So I'm okay with that. And if anything, I'd like to give the inspiration to people or kind of share that, hey, look, if you're doing something and it isn't going exactly where you want it to go, but you feel like it's worth doing, keep it up, keep on going. Because I'm finding that with a lot of the YouTube things I'm doing. I wrote a book in 2013 called Saving Your Future, and I've probably sold 30, 40 copies of it, but not a resounding success. But still, I'm starting to do some promotions around that as well. And if you feel like there's something in your life that's really worth doing, just keep at it, keep on pushing through, keep on doing it. So I'm excited to say that I'm starting that one project tonight. Also, I'm actually interviewing one of the first people that I'm gonna be interviewing in another series, another project that I'm doing. So, kind of at the entrepreneurial mindset. I have a bunch of projects, lots of things going around in my head, and now the key is to execute on those and to make them happen. So, hope this was helpful. Thanks everybody that's watching. I'll be back again next week at 9 p.m. on Monday to do another live stream. Then maybe during the day's better. I'm actually getting a couple people to join in now. So thanks so much. A couple of my former Lake Adventure friends from back in the day. But yeah, I've got a couple projects I'm starting to work on, and as I go through those projects, the one being helping people in their careers as something I've really enjoyed. Making a video course on that. That's going to be exciting, and I'll keep you guys up posted as I continue to develop that and build it. So thanks for everybody that watched it live, and thanks for everybody that's watching afterwards. And anything that you want to do that's worthwhile, put the time and effort into it, and you'll find success. Maybe not right away, but keep on going, keep doing what you do, and you're going to touch people's lives. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.